Erizoba omuservice yo kuzika SP Mutabazi ahari St James Kijuguta mukomugenzi Justin Mutabazi yashobora kwiba isurendwara ya pressure eyamaziri nayo bwire buringwa kandi yashaba ngo engambo zo kufa kwe zikomaho.
Ya korora ya che nimuka namushanga wakati nataba barabu nkuza kureba ari korora tinayitegereza nakabuta speed nakayita nkuza kureba mbasumu nashanga umushirija arakorora aracera eshagama yijire kabo ati kuza kugira batinya mu mukwate yagaruke nyuma nkuza kugwa namukwata umutwe kwena twagwa hasi namusa namushika bati namujabuja umushirija yakwiza yangwa mu ngaro yagwasi yakabakuru abagamba ngo yitibwe bintu ebyo yabo umushirija ayitirwe pressure.
Joyce Arinda muhara w'omugenzi owajwekera abana yashobora kwishabire n'abakunda munonga ariko bafaho ngo kandi basigara omwanya.
Ngomba kanende noted kokakareka noted kokakareka ngoke bende narabayazi yakwire cyone cy'ukwari noshaba takakugira mutinyine mwari.
Omuramuzi wa kote nkuru ahabwa Kabare Justice Karori Rwangase mwogerere yashobora bimwe habe Mutabaza bire nakora omukitongore kiramuzi.
Guarding the judiciary is another task altogether. Mr. Mutabazi has been in charge of or indirectly securing the more than 250 courts we have countrywide.
CP David Manzi owajwekera IGP wa polisi yagamba hari Mutabazi nkobira ryo muntu omukozi kandi orukutwariza kurunja abantu.
So they were junior in rank in the force, but they were senior in service at the time. For me, I joined as a cadet. So those are the officers that showed us the way around policing.
Nichirungi kugira ngo wafa either ufe wamazire kuritayaringa umurimo ko wakozere kurungi ninga ofera ha murimo bataka kubinjira. Mutabazi yafera ha murimo ubwo yatanje gukora imyaka 35 bwire.
Sasa kwanza
Gasha kwa Nelson ayimsubwe omurkabari.